Adobe Premiere Pro download. How do I download Premiere Pro? Adobe Premiere Pro download includes all the device's transitions, impacts, layers, shade adjustments, filters, etc. It's the perfect option for video producers and also material designers to do their work. The most up-to-date variation of the program keeps the acquainted interface and concentrates on a redesigned timeline to improve multi-project workflows, media monitoring, search choices, and shade grading. While the software needs a steep learning curve, it includes numerous detailed tutorials to aid you to get started. It's also backed by a strong neighborhood with several discussion forums to talk about pointers, methods, attributes, and so on. Download Adobe Premiere Pro. Open the Adobe Best Components download webpage in your web internet browser. Check in with your Adobe ID. If you do not have an Adobe ID, you can develop an Adobe ID. Select the system and language for download. Click Download and Install. This software application can be downloaded and installed on the desktop computer with systems operating on Linux, Windows, and also macOS. Phones as well as tablet computers operating iOS, Android, and also BlackBerry also have access to Adobe Premiere. About Adobe Premiere Pro download certification. Adobe Best can be very easy to discover if you search for a YouTube video for each and everything you intend to do. Ultimately, things will come much faster. It can be tough if you look for all the features by yourself. Adobe Premiere Pro CC training course for a novice will certainly give you first touch with the Adobe Premiere software, as well as you will certainly discover just how to utilize Premiere Professional to edit your videos in Adobe Best Pro with these easy to follow Best Pro video clip modifying tutorials. In this Adobe Premiere Pro program for a newbie, you will exercise modifying while you learn. This Adobe Premiere Pro free for novices includes method video data so you can adhere to along and also actually learn by doing. By the end of the training course, you'll have edited a 1-minute docudrama with the provided video footage. Significance of Adobe Premiere Pro training in 2021. Adobe Premiere Pro download is an effective program for editing electronic videos. Best aids you develop a dynamic video clip or movie. This training course aids you to understand and also work with standards through advanced principles and features of Adobe Best. You will run through a regular series of actions for creating, editing, and adjust a collection of video items. We additionally recommend this program for those intending to enter specialist modifying with breakthrough software like Final Cut Pro. Adobe Premiere Pro course was developed to teach you just how to successfully utilize Premiere Pro, despite if you have ever made use of the program before or otherwise. Training facility in UAE, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah. If you are looking for Adobe Premiere Pro training in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and Sharjah in UAE, you are reading the right article. Zabeel Institute has designed the best Adobe Premiere Pro training. Zabeel Institute is well known for delivering several successful batches for Adobe Premiere Pro training every year. Zabeel ensures to help all students with all sorts of assistance for their brilliant performance in the exam. Zabeel Institute, established in 1988, is a leading educational and training institute for executives in Dubai. Zabeel Institute is by the KHDA and Ministry of Education UAE. Zabeel offers training programs to professionals from various industries like airlines, travel and tourism, engineering, construction, accounts and finance, information technology, logistics, languages, and management. For further information, please contact phone 00971 43974 WhatsApp 009715052585001. Email mail@zabeelinstitute.ae. Website www.zabeelinstitute.ae. Inquiry https://zabeelinstitute.ae/inquire/